What's up, guys? Today we are going to be doing the Tuxedo number 2, actually. All right, so let's just get into it. Let's get stirring. All right, so first thing we are gonna need is 60 mils of gin. Then we'll need 15 mil of a sweet white vermouth. Then we'll need 7.5 mil maraschino, 4 dashes of orange bitters, and then we're gonna give a good stir. All right, we're gonna whip out our Cooper, Nick and Nora. We're gonna give our glass a rinse with absinthe, and we're gonna garnish it off with an orange twist. That's all it is, guys. 4 or 5 ingredients, one of them is a wash, pretty simple. This is the Tuxedo number 2. The original cocktail, or the original Tuxedo cocktail, consisted of gin, sherry, and bitters. It is believed to have been created in the early 1800s at the Waldorf Astoria in New York. Which most likely it was. I mean, it's 200 something years ago, right? This one, the Tuxedo number 2, it's like barely even similar to the original Tuxedo. This one actually is very, very close to the Turf Club. This one was not, from what I understand, created as like a sequel to the original. Like, it wasn't made to make the original better. The original is what it is, and this is a completely different cocktail. They just share the same name, okay? As far as like the cocktail itself though, super enjoyable. The sweet white vermouth that I used, I think typically you're supposed to use Lillet Blanc. Go with whatever you want, guys. Like, just pick a sweet white vermouth. Pick one that you enjoy. Go with that. Okay, I went with this guy, local one. But it does play a really big part in this, believe it or not. So you have that hefty gin pour, so pick a gin you enjoy. So this one that I use, it's got a little bit of citrus in it, so I went juniper and citrus on this one. But as far as like the actual cocktail goes, guys, it's enjoyable. I wouldn't be making this one constantly just because I mean, I could batch it. If I batched this, I probably would drink it a lot, but I just don't want to have to make it every time. But like, it is good. So very batchable, it's all spirits. But that is all I have for you today, guys. If you like these videos, please hit that like and subscribe button. I'm gonna be putting out more every single week. If you have any cocktails you think I should run by on this channel, let me know. I'll see if I can fit them into my lineup, okay? But until next time, guys, cheers.